my beautiful Nicolettes, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new, and if you are new, make sure you guys click that red subscribe button before you leave. I constantly get asked questions about how I whiten my teeth, and I'm going to share with you my DIYs on how to get a whiter smile right away. These are all natural, super easy, and you probably have most of these things already in your house. These are definitely things that I live by and swear by when it comes to whitening my teeth. If I want to also touch up my teeth and make it a little bit whiter, these are the things I like to go for. Thumbs it up if you guys like it, and I will do more. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. It means so much when you guys join me on that family. It's just at NicolettaXOYT. My question of the day is going to be, did you ever have braces? I'm curious to know. Fun fact, I actually had braces when I was 11 years old for a year. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and let's jump into it. For this first DIY, all you're going to need is some powdered milk, toothpaste of your choice. I'm just going with my Crest toothpaste, and you just need aluminum foil sheets. So once you have all your ingredients, you're just going to take the aluminum foil sheets and cut them up. You're going to need one sheet for the top of your teeth and one sheet for the bottom, and you can cut them up according to what will fit your teeth, of course. Then what I did is I just took my toothpaste and put a strip across each of the sheets. I actually went in and cut them a little bit smaller just because they were a little too big for my mouth. And then to finish it off, I just sprinkled some powdered milk on top of the toothpaste. So once you do that, it should look something like this, and this is going to be your teeth whitening strips. I then just applied it onto the top of my teeth, and this adheres really well onto your teeth. It's going to not budge at all. And then I just applied the bottom sheet as well. Once you have applied both strips onto your teeth, you're just going to let it sit there for a few minutes. Once the few minutes were over, I just removed it off my teeth, and I brushed the excess with my toothbrush and then thoroughly rinsed it off. And you're going to notice a little bit of a difference right away. Of course, if you want to see a bigger difference, you'd have to do this a little bit more. I like to do this about 1 to 2 times a week if I'm trying to whiten my teeth. Of course, you don't want to do this forever. You only want it for the process of whitening your teeth. But milk is amazing for the teeth because it provides it with calcium and phosphorus, which is amazing when it comes to the health of our teeth. But as you can see, once I removed everything off, my smile was just a little bit brighter than what it was. DIY number 2 is super simple. All you're going to need is some baking soda and water, and that's it. So all you have to do is take a small bowl, put some of the baking soda into that bowl, and then you're just going to put some water, mix it all together until it's a paste consistency. So you might need to add a little bit more baking soda or a little bit more water. Once you have your paste consistency, I just took a Q-tip, and you're going to apply the paste onto the teeth or the stains directly using your Q-tip. And baking soda is amazing for removing surface stains from your teeth and making them appear whiter. If you even don't want to do this method, if you just sprinkle a little bit of baking soda onto your toothpaste when you're brushing your teeth, that can also be a great way to whiten your teeth quickly as well. But once I was done applying the paste onto my teeth with the Q-tip, you just have to let it sit for a few minutes before you thoroughly rinse it off completely, and then you can go in and brush your teeth. This also just really helps to brighten your teeth up, and baking soda has been seen as an amazing product to whiten your teeth. For this third DIY, all you're going to need is toothpaste, baking soda, lemon juice, and sea salt. So once you have all your ingredients, you're just going to take a small bowl, and you're going to put your toothpaste into the bowl to start off. Then you're just going to put a little bit of baking soda into the bowl as well. 4 to 5 drops of lemon juice. Make sure that you don't put too much lemon juice, and a pinch of the sea salt. So then you're just going to mix the paste all together, and you're going to use this to brush your teeth. You're going to take the mixture and put it onto a clean toothbrush and brush your teeth as normal. When you are brushing your teeth, make sure that you do it 4 to 5 minutes long before you rinse it off. And with this method, you're going to notice a difference right away. However, this is definitely the harshest method, so you do not want to do this consistently. You don't want to do it every day or every week. If you are trying to whiten your teeth, doing this every 2 months, you really just don't want to overdo it because it will hurt your enamel. So it's important that you're just doing this once in a blue moon kind of thing if you're just trying to touchen up. But like I said, once you brush your teeth with this, you're going to notice that your smile is brighter right away. So once I was done brushing my teeth, I just rinsed my mouth out thoroughly, and you can tell that your teeth feel amazing and your smile is a lot brighter. And the last DIY is super simple. All you're going to need is some activated charcoal. Charcoal is amazing for whitening your teeth. I definitely recommend trying charcoal out. You can either get charcoal capsules and then put that all into a bowl, or you can get something like this where it's already done for you. I actually picked this up at Winners in the natural section, and you're just going to take your damp toothbrush and put the charcoal onto your toothbrush and just start brushing your teeth, moving in more gentle circles. And this is really great because activated charcoal is effective at absorbing plaque and other compounds that stain our teeth, meaning that the chemical properties of activated charcoal is a natural teeth whitener. You're going to brush your teeth out and leave it on for 3 minutes before you thoroughly rinse your mouth out several times before you go in and brush your teeth clean. So I know it looks a little bit weird, but it does not stain your teeth, so you don't have to worry about that. It just really does a great job at removing surface stains. So if maybe you drink too much coffee or tea or anything like that, anything that stain your teeth, this is really going to help get rid of that. I really enjoy using charcoal as a natural teeth whitening remedy. But those are all of the DIYs. I hope you guys enjoyed them. Let me know which one you're going to try out. That is all for the video. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know if you guys try anything out, and I hope they work for you. Thumbs up if you guys liked it. It always helps me out. And as always, don't forget to click that red subscribe button to join the family, because I do upload every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday, and it would mean so much if you guys became a part of my YouTube family. But that being said, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!